Hello everyone, hope you're doing fine. Today I'm here with a new tutorial of fixing the black screen issue in OBS Studio, Open Broadcast Software Studio. Before getting started, I am here with the new backup file of the latest version of the OBS. You can get it from the Google, and with a simple process you can get this exe file. So let's get started by opening this file. I'm here in the OBS. As you can see, the black screen. So I'm on this plus icon to check the display capture, this one, and I'm saving the display capture by default. As you can see that there is no preview here for the TV screen that I have, or the display that I have. In order to resolve the black screen issue in OBS, you must need to understand which graphics card that your device has. So there may be one or more than one graphics card installed in your device. So in order to check that, you have to go to the manage section in my computer and device setting to check whether you have one graphics card or more than one. So I am here on the device manager settings and display adapters. As you can see here, there are two graphics cards installed here. One is Intel HD graphics built-in, and the second one is AMD dedicated card. So the black screen issue in OBS, this is because of the overlapping of these two graphics cards. OBS cannot decide that which one to use in high performance or power saving or simple process. So OBS cannot decide which one to use. This is the main problem that we have here, and we are resulted in black screen. So I am here in the Intel graphics settings, because I have installed the latest drivers for Intel's graphics card, and I am here in the 3D setting. Open this one, and I am telling the Intel graphics card to use this OBS exe file that I am browsing to do the priority. So I am going to locate the OBS file, going to the C drive, program files, and locating the OBS exe file here in the OBS Studio bin section, and here this one. So I'm opening this. Now I'm telling the Intel graphics to use this OBS exe file as default application settings. So I'm saving this setting and closing this one. So either you can go through Intel setting, or you can go through AMD Radeon setting. The second dedicated card that I have is Radeon. So I am telling the AMD Radeon settings that use high performance or use this AMD dedicated card for OBS. So I am checking my system settings. You need to install the latest driver for this dedicated card, AMD Radeon card. So I am on the home section, going to the preference settings and additional settings for Radeon. Just click on it. So here now I am setting AMD as my priority to use that in a OBS software. So I am here adding the exe file as of the Intel HD graphics that we have added before. So I'm locating the OBS Studio file again. Here it is. Just open this, and now I am telling the AMD graphics card to use this exe file that I have added OBS as power saving. So I'm not letting it to happen as high performance, and I'm as saving as power saving, and apply the settings. So I'm closing this one, closing all the windows. If you have opened the OBS software, close this and restore this. So I am on the exe file again, just opening this. Here we go. The black screen issue is fixed. As you can see the preview, and AMD telling me that I am using high performance or power saving setting, and now I'm using the AMD Radeon graphics card for OBS. So the preview is here. Now OBS can decide that I have to use the AMD graphics card instead of Intel HD graphics. So here the problem is fixed. You can go to live stream and many other things. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Stay connected with iCyberClinks for more videos. Thank you very much.